So when you see thumbnails like these ones on YouTube, I get a feeling that the whole aim is to scare the small investor. These guys are the top YouTube finance channels known on YouTube. What they should be doing is educating small investors how to navigate the market when the market seems so turbulent. And thumbnails like this do not help. And the unfortunate thing is these guys who run these largest finance channels have thousands and thousands, possibly hundreds of thousands of people who watch their videos, and in the process denying investors the mental stability to weather the market even though it's turbulent. I remember many years ago, because I didn't really understand how the market works, I would jump in and out of stocks depending on how well they're doing. And that's cost me a lot of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars, possibly millions of dollars, because I did not know how to invest. So what these guys should be doing is teaching people the fundamentals of how to invest. And if they are not going to do that, then using the fear factor doesn't help at all. And I don't think you should be following these people either if they can't help the small investor navigate these choppy waters that we're currently all experiencing at the moment. So let me know your thoughts and let me know whether you think I'm wrong and that fear is what sells the most. And I look forward to hearing what your opinion is. So let's take a quick look at how this portfolio has performed in the past week. This week has been another brutal week for stocks. And as you can see, Rivian is the only stock that is in the green, and Amazon is my largest loss-making position. I added another $550 to this portfolio this week, and this portfolio is losing over $10,000, which is the largest loss-making position since I started this channel. In the month of October, this portfolio is down 9.51%, which exceeds the previous month of September, which it was 6.31%. The risk score hasn't changed and still remains at 6 from the week before. Now let's take a look at the portfolio dashboard. I bought 5 additional Unity software stocks, thereby increasing the size of Unity software in the entire portfolio. Rivian is the only profit-making position in this portfolio at the moment. The total portfolio allocated is $3,650. The loss has increased from last week to $10,300. The total equity has reduced to $26,340, whereas the overall loss on this portfolio has increased to 28%, and the performance against the S&P 500 is down 3.66%, and the overall portfolio performance from the previous week is down to $2,064. You can see week 18 here, which shows by how much this portfolio is down, and it's even lower than when I started this channel. In the past week, this portfolio underperformed the S&P 500 by 3.66%. In the past month, it's underperformed against the S&P 500 by 3.51%. And in the past year, it's outperformed this portfolio by 20.97%. So I hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions, please comment below. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.